Okay, hello students. Today, as a kind of a revision for Unit 4, for those that may have more difficulties with grammar, I'm going to record myself doing some Kahoots, okay, playing the same Kahoots that we are going to play on Tuesday all together. But like that, I can explain to you why I have chosen every answer, so you can understand the rules behind these pieces of grammar. Okay, so I'm on the virtual room, okay, segundo de su inglés programa, and it's the last activity on Unit 4, Kahoot revision. You click here, okay, and then here we have the links to the 3 Kahoots, so you can do them before you watch the video or at the same time that you watch the video. And then where it says teach and play in video, there are no links yet because I'm recording the video right now, but we are going to have them there later. So let's start playing this one. Okay, this is a Kahoot about comparatives. Yes, that's me. You have to put your name first. I've done mine, so it was done already. My dad is the intelligent. Intelligent is a long word. It's got more than one syllable, so we have to use more. This is clearly a superlative, so it has to be most. It's the most, because we've got the de. So when we've got the, that's almost always a superlative. There we go. Next question. Which is a comparative adjective? This is a superlative, this is a superlative, this one. Because ER, EST is for superlative. This is going to be a superlative because we've got the reliable, it's got reliable, 3 syllables. But anyway, it's got more than one syllable, it doesn't end in Y, therefore, and this is a superlative, the most reliable. I like. Okay, so this is interesting. This is an adverb, okay? But since you know, with irregular adverbs, the verb good or well, it gives the same. So it's superlative, okay? Because you like it, es el que más te gusta. So from good, well, and from well, better, and the superlative is best. Okay, it's irregular. Great. Let's keep going. This is going to be a superlative. Silly is got 2 syllables but ends in Y. So it's going to be the silliest. But the Y, when we do a superlative, it has to turn to I. So this is the correct one. Okay, 6. Which class is the, okay, again, this is a superlative. Noisy, the same. Noisy ends in Y, therefore, even if it's got 2 syllables, it takes EST, okay, the noisiest. This one has got comparatives, isn't it? Yeah. It's taking a while to find the comparatives. Today was, here we have a comparative already. Warm is just 1 syllable. It takes ES or EST. Today was, this is not a comparative. So this is a trick. Today is warm and sunny. Okay. Yeah, we're like trying to get us there. Mount Hood is, it's all superlatives. Beautiful, it's a long word, it's got more than 1 syllable and doesn't end in Y, so the most beautiful. Yeah, this is not a comparative, this is just like a normal adjective. Okay, here we have comparatives. So these are comparatives because we've got than, okay? We've got than here. So the ocean, deep, one syllable, therefore it doesn't take more, it takes ER. It's a comparative, not a superlative, so no T, ER, and one syllable, so no more. We add ER. She's the superlative, nice, one syllable. So even if you see, like, because it's nice, it's one diphthong. EST, because it's a superlative, nicest. Which is a superlative adjective? Crazier. Mostest, that doesn't make sense, so best. This is an irregular one. Well, no, because it's great. Better no, because it's a superlative. Most great doesn't make any sense. The greatest. Okay, so hard, one syllable. So it could be even harder than the math test. So difficulter will make sense because it's long. Hardest, that's a superlative, it doesn't comparative. I think these two are correct because hard gives harder and this is more difficult. Never mind. The written was even harder. Yeah, I was right, both correct. Which was, we are comparing which was which was more easier. So C ends in Y, it becomes easier, okay, and the Y turns into an I. Here we go. Music is much more better, doesn't make sense. So from good we've got good, better, best, not gooder, okay? That's irregular, so that's a comparative because we've got the than, más que algo, some better, mejor que, better than. Alright. Oh, it's taking a bit long, this one. My backpack is heavy, 2 syllables, but ends in Y. When it ends in Y, it takes EST or ER. We've got than, this is comparative, so is heavier than. What is the? This is going to be a superlative because it's the. Awesome, it's a long word, it's got more than one syllable. The most awesome, because more will be comparative, and awesomer is incorrect because it's a long word. It has to go with most or more. It's being a superlative, most. Yesterday was the. This is going to be a superlative. So from good, better, best. Oh, sorry, it's bad. From bad, worst, the worst. So the worst day of baddest doesn't make any sense. This is irregular, from bad, worst, and the worst. That was really a really. This is not a comparative. It was a good book. I don't know why they include this one, just to make me lose time. Which is a comparative adjective from these ones. So EST, this is superlative. Superlative, okay. These two are both bigger and worse. Yeah, we could do any of them. That was the. This is a superlative. Long word. So a superlative has to end in EST, and this is long, so it has to be more or most. EST, most. So long word takes more or most, and being a superlative because we've got the most. Interesting. I think walking is than. When we've got than, that's a comparative. We've good from good, better, and the best. So good, good, gooder, that's better. Because it's irregular. 4 to go. Jennifer was the, this is a superlative, short, one syllable, so it's got to be, take ER or EST, shorter or shortest, being a superlative, the shortest. My sister's room is neat, is clean. So neat is one syllable, one is a short word, so it can be neater or neatest. Than, it's a comparative, so neater. These are the superlative. It's called the comfortable long word. Therefore, long word, more or most. It's a superlative, most. Most. Hey, it says most comfortable choice. What's the trick here? Okay. Midnight is the, this is superlative. Late, one syllable, so you have to be later or latest, since it is superlative, the latest. And the last one, my dad is older, no? Comparative, it's a long word, old, so you have to be older or oldest. It's a comparative, sorry, because we've got this than here, so it's older. Okay, great. So that's one done. Okay, I'm going to stop this video, and then I'm going to have a link here. No, in the virtual room. That is, I have to open it again because I've gone through this link. So I'll see you in the next Kahoot. Bye.